NeuroMetrix Inc. stock is currently trading at 9.8 or $9.78, an extension of about 200% in this session of the 20th of July 2021. The price has easily exceeded the previous high of $5.78, and it is over probably 500% above the 52-week low of $1.39. Trading volume has easily exceeded the 10-day average of 1.1 million shares by over probably 2,000%. NeuroMetrix shares, as you can see, has more than quadrupled to date, the 20th of July 2021, touching some of their best levels since May 2019. This comes after the company said its Quell nerve stimulation device received a breakthrough designation from the FDA for treating chronic pain, fatigue, and other symptoms of fibromyalgia. The FDA's decision follows data from a study showing 65% of the patients with fibromyalgia who were treated with the wearable Quell electrical nerve stimulator experienced a clinically meaningful improvement in the quality of life compared with 35% of the patients in a control group. This designation is a process to expedite regulatory review. The company said it is now expecting to file a regulatory device application that would allow it to market Quell as a fibromyalgia treatment during the second half of next year, 2022. NURO stock has now rallied within a longer-term uptrend. Shares are presently above the 200-day moving average. You may not clearly see that on the screen. And that moving average, the 200-day moving average, is also rising along with the 10, 20, and the 50-day moving averages. It is easily outperforming the S&P 500. Momentum for NURO stock is strongly bullish. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is rising as investors are currently paying higher prices for the shares. Today's volume easily is on track to be heavier than usual, with over 109 million shares having traded so far in this session, and we still have a few more hours to go. The unbalanced volume indicator is bullish. The slope of the indicator is positive and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers. So this news is some positive news, and we have seen that also the stock is relatively cheap, and it's definitely a stock to buy for sure. But it has run up an extension of over 200%. I know there might be a fear of missing out in what's offering now. There might be an expectation that it will continue to extend, but you have to be really careful. There's no guarantee that it will continue to extend, so know what you're doing. You have to also say, leave it if you're not there already. Leave it and see if it's going to pull back in the coming sessions, and see how it's going to go. If you missed the opportunity to buy it before it extended today, if you want to buy it as it is now, just know what you're doing, and there's no guarantee that it will continue to extend. Okay, so be careful and know what you're doing out there. Thank you very much for watching this video.